So, the glamorous side of being a landlord, a property investor. Got a message from my tenant today, quite early on, saying the drain's been blocked and it's backing up with, well, drainage matter. So it's just overflowing out into the garden. So the garden is full of excrement. I've told her to just ring a drain and blocking company to come and do it, and then I'll pay for it. Just send me the invoice, but they're all asking for money up front. So we couldn't have done it without me there. Now I could have phoned up, but I know I've got a drain rod, so I'm going to go have a look and give it one attempt first. Maybe I can do it myself, but at least it lets me assess the situation. If I can't fix it, then it's just a matter of, whilst I'm there, phone it up, get the call out, wait for that, get it done, and pay for it. I'll be there to pay for it. But not the most glamorous of situations. So I looked at a video how to unblock. One of them was use a mop, just put a mop down it and sort of plunge it out. They did explain, however, that outlet, the grate outdoors on the floor, it should be the lowest point, because if it's higher up, it will always overflow to the lowest point. So if it's lower than the floor of your house or the sink of your house, then it should come out there first. Otherwise, if that's blocked, all that sewage is going to come out inside the house, and you don't want that. Nobody wants that. So in a way, we're lucky because that vent has done its job. It's letting out the sewage outdoors in the garden. So I'll come down and have a look, see if there's any way I can unblock that. Hopefully I can do it. If not, it's a call out. The other thing they say is that grate on top of the vent, I call it a vent, it's like a release for backwards pressure. So there's a grill on top of it, and he says that it should be plastic, because if it's iron or cast iron, if it starts to rust and stick, and if it's solid in there, what you'll get is a backup of paper, and the paper will block the vent, and eventually the water pressure will just build up, and it'll just come for the next highest outlet, which might be your sink inside your house, and you don't want that coming up inside again. So plastic will not corrode, it will not stick, it should be loose, easily removable. Or at least that's the theory. But yep, we'll go down, have a look, see what's happening, and see if it can be repaired. Otherwise, I'll just get the call out. But I did want to go down and assess it first.